Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will prepare soft and tasty roulette for you. We needed for this 12 egg whites, 370 grams of sugar, 80 grams of starch, 80 grams of apple cider vinegar, 206 grams of cream, 80 grams of mascarpone cheese, 120 grams of powdered sugar. The first for preparing roulette biscuit. Mix the egg white in a mixer until completely white. Sugar is added in a portion and mix it in a mixer. Starch is added. Finally, apple cider vinegar is added and mix it well. You will get a similar mass. We spread the mass in a chefing dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. The roulette biscuit is ready. Now let's move on to the preparation of cream. Mascarpone cheese is mixed well. Next, add powdered sugar and mix. Finally, add the cream and mix well. Spread the cream on a biscuit. You can serve after refrigerating for an hour. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.